What starts as a routine traffic stop in Ohio quickly spirals out of control. Watch what happens next.
Hello, how you doing, buddy? Driver's license with you? What happened to the windshield? I noticed that when you passed me back there.
Oh, I was doing some movement with some wood and doors. So they kind of cracked the windshield.
Okay. Also, whenever you were coming around that curve back there, you kept drifting over the center line.
Oh yeah, it's this. I got the adjuster for the lane. So when it get close,
it pulls you a little bit or something.
Yeah.
You definitely crossed over a couple times when you were in the left lane there.
Yeah, I was just trying to, and then with the big truck.
Yeah. Do you have a?
Oh, the paperwork right here, sir.
Where you headed to?
Picking my sister up for the holidays.
Where's that at?
Down there. It's 50 miles away.
Huntington, maybe?
I think so. Or like right by.
Okay. Don't think that's what I need. I'm gonna come on that side there, okay?
Oh, it's right. Okay.
That's all. Well, that's all the like paperwork for the truck. It's not the actual rental agreement.
Okay.
I'll have you come back here with me real quick since you don't have a driver's license.
Okay.
And we'll figure out what we're gonna do.
My shoes over here.
Yeah, you're fine, buddy. Pick over and grab them. Oh. I am gonna pat you down real quick. I smell marijuana coming from the car big time. So, oh yeah, you got blunt spray up there too.
No, I mean I do got a small thing of marijuana though.
Okay, how much you have?
Like 2 grams.
2 grams. I'm just gonna pat you down real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Have you have a seat back here, and then nothing on you supposed to take me in front of buddy.
Oh, sorry. No. Oh no.
No, you're fine. All right, now check up between your legs here, man. I won't catch you off guard. All right, buddy, you can have a seat back here for me real quick. So is there somebody from Huntington that can come pick you up since you don't have a driver's license? Somebody figured out how to get here?
I can call.
Okay. Swing your feet in there. I'll issue the citation real quick and then we'll figure it out.
So just to be, like I said, to be honest with you ahead of time, because like I said, I just like be forward, you know what I'm saying? This is my first trip. I understand that, I ain't really supposed to be driving.
Yeah, you don't have a license.
So, like I said, I don't got no excuse. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to run into look at my name and then okay, he ain't got no license.
Right. Yeah.
I just can't, like I said.
Anything illegal in the truck, man?
No, hell no.
Go up there and I can look through it and ain't gonna find nothing.
Hell no. Go ahead.
Okay. All right, buddy. What's your phone? Is there 2 phones up there?
Yeah.
Which one would you need?
The one with the black.
The black one?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. My goodness, this thing stinks. Yep. Man, that thing reeks of weed. You say you got 2 grams up there?
Yeah, it's in the little the console.
Okay. So I go up and I check it and I'm not gonna find anything else besides the weed, right?
Yeah, you go open up and check it and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, I just like to, Yeah.
So you gotta drive all the way down here, pick your sister up and turn around and go back?
Shit, hell yeah, her and her wife.
So
but my mom ain't cooked in 2 years for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, you're suspended. They couldn't get a car to drive it themselves, or?
No.
So you gotta take them back after Thanksgiving too?
Yes, sir.
That sucks.
I know. And it's crazy. My mom was like, "Be careful." And see, my mom, she has she was already in a bad accident.
Yeah.
Or she usually does it.
Right.
But she's using the strength that she has to, you know what I'm saying,
Yeah.
to cook. So I just, you know, like I said, I ain't supposed to be driving, but I took a chance on it. You know, just,
Yeah.
like I said, I had it on cruise control. You know.
Yeah, I didn't get you for speeding. I just got you for the lane violation. And when you passed me back there, I noticed your windshield was all
So,
busted up on that side.
Yeah, so I gotta take responsibility. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But like I said, feel free.
1784, check out.
Look in the car, ain't got nothing.
Checks.
Okay.
How long you been on the force?
Almost 20 years.
Damn.
Yeah.
You OG. So what's your rank?
I'm still just a little old trooper.
What?
Yeah.
After 20 years?
I like it though.
But like, how does that work? Do you get a chance to?
Yeah, I could try to get promoted if I wanted to. I just have no desire to do it.
Okay.
I like doing what I do.
Yeah.
I got a really flexible schedule, so that's a big plus.
Yeah. I was gonna say how does that work with holidays and things?
Well, where I got the position I have, I'm pretty flexible, so I can take holidays off if I want.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Yep.
Do you choose to? Like, do you have like?
Yeah,
kids?
like tomorrow I'll take off. Yeah, that's the best thing about my position is I got the flexible schedule, so I can work whenever I need to and don't miss anything with my kids.
Yeah. What kind of? How many kids you have?
3.
Ooh. Boys, girls.
I've got a girl who's 20, a son who's 18, and another one that's 15.
So you said who's the oldest?
My daughter is.
Your daughter?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I ain't crossed that Lucas. I ain't got no kids.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
26. I think it's when I had my first one. I was 26.
I just haven't found no, you know.
Yep.
I haven't found no like a girl or a woman to, like, I don't have a girlfriend, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, actions have consequences, and if you can't handle the consequences, then
Officers uncovered nearly 3 pounds of crystal methamphetamine and 70 grams of fentanyl, with an estimated street value of more than $146,000. The driver was arrested and facing serious felony drug charges that could result in up to 11 years in prison and a $20,000 fine. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.